are here at Just for Fun. See, this kids play shop located near the Lulimute Garden. So, say hi. Where is Silo? The amenities, the place is good. Have some game board. The slide. Say hi. The counter. So highly recommended this place. The carousel. That is fun. The kitchen area. Oh. Yeah. There's the small studio. There's a piano. Studio to wear the clothes. Disney. Princess. The kitchen area. Entrance. Just for fun. Also, this one they have the Hot Wheels na makasakay ang bata, slide. There, oh. Nakato na, dagan na nagatuan pero kanya mong ganahan na play shop kay nice kay siya to clean. Malingaw ang mga bata. So visit Just for Fun.